Still logging hours on spreadsheets? Chasing timesheets like it's 2005? That's not tracking, it's time loss. Deadlines slip, tasks overlap. Clients ask, why this much billable time? Your team's output feels invisible. Devs don't work like designers. QA needs focus, not pop-ups. But most tools? Same rules for everyone. Sudden rollout, confused teams, security doubts? Time tracking fails when you don't plan the how. Workstatus lets you track time your way. By project, by role, with complete control. Encrypted logs, limited visibility, screenshots only where needed. Finally, tracking your team's trusts. Start small, learn fast. Let team leads champion the tool, one phase at a time. Who's overloaded? Which project's dragging? Workstatus shows you what's working and what's not. Workstatus adapts to sprints, tickets, tasks, even remote or hybrid setups. It's not just tracking, it's how IT teams work. Still stuck with clunky tools? Move to Workstatus, where time tracking meets intelligence. Try it free today.